Let's put the framing across here now. The floor joist will span from this beam to this beam to this beam right here. So we'll go back to our first floor structural plan and we'll draw the perimeter again. So I'm going to go over to structure, beam system, and look at that. It defaulted back to the first floor being the work plane. So I'm not sure what that's going to do in terms of the elevation of it, but I'll sketch the system and I'm going to just draw lines again. Right there, that's the inside of the rim joist. Going to make sure we pick the inside of the rim joist. Go all the way across to here, to the end of the beam, and then I'm going to drop down so that that beam carries the floor joist all the way across to the end of the beam here, and then back up to this side of the beam, and then all the way across back to my starting point, which is over here. And now I need to clean that up just a little bit. And it looks like this guy is crooked. And sure enough, so I'll use the align tool. I know it's crooked. And I will click on the face of the rim joist. And that will align itself to that now. So that looks good, I think. Maybe not. Maybe I need some more work there. Can't really tell from the work right now. And maybe this guy should be aligned to the face of this rim joist. So let's do that, which means I probably need to extend the beam a little bit more to carry that. But all right, so now I've got my perimeter. I think it's good, but I don't know for sure. So I'll click the green check mark. If my perimeter is closed, then it will put the floor joist in. If the perimeter is not closed, I will get an error message. But it also defaulted to my previous spacing, which is 1 foot, and 16 inches is fine for this very short span. So I'm going to change the spacing of it, and the dimensional lumber is still 2 by 12. So let's say okay and see if it's closed. And it is, and it just put that in. Now, looks like they're in the right spot. Let's take a section through there just to make sure. So I'm going to move this section down to here and take a look at it and see if my floor joists were put in the right spot. It looks like it. So look at that. They're right below the subfloor. So that's good. And so now I put another set of floor joists in there. Things are looking good so far. I'm going to save my drawing and stop the video.